Alright guys, back on the bench, Team Corally. We're putting another new arm on it because it exploded again. It broke another standoff. Got that over here. We got some new shock rod in so we can put the original shock back on it because it blew that apart. I think we're going to tear this whole truck apart though because we got some here. As you can see, these bars are tweaked, guys. Look how bent that is. This one back here is completely annihilated, bent. So the chat's tweaked. I think that's why it keeps snapping arms. So we're going to pull this thing apart completely. Tweak it back either straight or get a new chassis, whichever has to happen, but that's where we're at. I'll bring you along on the way and then we'll get this thing back ripping because this thing's amazing. And on these new RC all-wheel drive Mojave wheels has been amazing. RC all-wheel drive sent these out and you guys see they're still holding together tough, kicking butt. So we'll be back. Just want to point out real quick the arm that I just put on there the same day. I just blew an arm out the day before, the whole same thing, the end blew off. Fix that arm, same thing, end blows off again, but look at this arm, guys. Are you kidding me? One jump. And it landed on its wheels. Go back and watch the video, it landed on its wheels and did this to an arm. Are you kidding me? I think you got some issues with the arms, Corally. This is the 5th one, 6th one. I mean, check my log, I've been buying them up. No, they shouldn't be doing this, I don't think. And the ends rip off of every one of them. Alright, we'll be back. I ain't here just in case anybody didn't believe me. End ripped off. The end where the pin goes through ripped off. The end where the pin goes through ripped off. And this is the latest one, just completely annihilated. I mean, and this is one day. I just broke this one, put this one on, same thing. So, maybe I just can't drive, but that don't seem a little excessive when you land on your wheels. And we was just pulling the other arm off and just found more damage. We got a busted pin that goes through the arm on this side and the pin's busted through, so there's some more damage in the rear end. We'll keep going, see what we come up with. Team Corally strong, baby. Alright y'all, as you can see I got the Team Corally broken sections. There's the front. Where'd I set the rear? All the rear's connected to it still. The rear's connected here with one arm. Look at the center, guys, how mangled this stuff is. Like, just, it's complete. Look at this, completely buckled. That's completely buckled. We got the chassis almost off. Let's see how it really is now that it's in my hand. Like, oh yeah, you can see she's bowed in the middle, bowed real bad back here. You can see the gap. Let's look at it from front to back here, kind of try to. Well, no better once I get these guards off, but you can see here the ears. One, that's why I was having so much problems, I think. One's bent way down, one's up. I don't know if it's coming off on camera. Yep, you can see that. So we was having all kinds of problems, guys, with this, but that's what it's about. We're gonna rebuild it, make it stronger, make it better, and we'll be back out ripping it. So we got her tore down. We got a lot of cleaning to do here, guys. Get this thing all cleaned up, back in tip-top shape. We'll be back out doing that for long. Poor X-Max, gotta get him out. And yeah, we got some projects, but we're gonna get them back out ripping, guys. It's winter time. We'll be out with a vengeance real soon. If you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. Stick around for part 2 of this. She's coming back full force. Maybe even badder than she was this time.